Now we discuss IELTS reading mastering English with Afshan. Why in this image, both are students of IELTS reading. Left side shows a student looking stressed over a IELTS reading passage, and right side shows a student looking confident and relaxed. Assalamu alaikum and very warm. Welcome back to English with Afshan. If you are preparing for the IELTS exam, you know that the reading section can be a real race against time. 60 minutes, 40 questions, and 3 long passages. It feels impossible, right? A lot of students try to read every single word, and that's where they lost the battle. The problem, reading every word. But what if I told you there's a way to find the correct answers without reading the whole passage in detail? The secret is the technique called skimming. In today's video, we are going to master in skill. I show you in simple English and Urdu exactly how to skim like to pro, save precious minutes and boost your scores. Let's get started. What is skimming? So, what exactly is skimming in Urdu? वो again call it सरसरी नजर डालना, जायजा लेना, एनालिसिस करना. It doesn't mean reading quickly. It means not reading at all in the traditional sense. Think of it like this. Imagine you are looking for a specific shop in a big busy market. You don't go into every shop, no, and check every item they sell, do you? No, you quickly glance at the shop signs to find the one you need. Skimming and IELTS passage is exactly the same. You are just looking at the signs, the main ideas to understand the layout and the topic of the passage before you look at the questions. आपको हर वर्ड नहीं पढ़ना, आपको सिर्फ ये देखना है कि हर पैराग्राफ किस चीज के बारे में है. इसको कहते हैं ओवरव्यू लेना, सरसरी जायजा लेना, एनालिसिस करना. The goal of skimming is not to understand the details. The goal is to understand the point of the big picture. How to skim? The practical method? Let's open a real IELTS passage and I'll show you exactly what to do. You should never spend more than 2 to 3 minutes skimming a whole passage. Follow these 4 simple steps. Step 1. Read the title and headings. Highlight the meaning. Highlight the main title and any subheadings in the passage. सबसे पहले टाइटल पढ़ो. ये आपको बताएगा कि पूरे पैसेज के बारे में क्या है. अगर कोई सब हेडिंग्स हैं तो उन्हें भी जरूर देखो. ये आपको पैसेज का मैप देगा. Step 2. Read the first sentence of each paragraph, highlighting only the first sentence of each paragraph. In the academic writing, the first sentence is almost always the topic sentence. ये आपको बताएगा कि उस पर्टिकुलर पैराग्राफ में क्या होगा. Just read that one. Step 3. Look for keywords and visual cues. Circle dates, names, and bold words in the passage. Dates, names, like Einstein, Shakespeare, and another word. Bold, italic, and underlined words. All the words circle during skimming. इन चीज़ों को अपने दिमाग में मार्क कर लो. ये वो मैग्नेट्स हैं जो बाद में आपको आंसर्स ढूंढने में मदद देंगे. स्टेप 4, डोंट पैनिक। अगर आप कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा तो मूव ऑन। ये टेस्ट आपकी इंग्लिश नहीं, आपकी फाइंडिंग स्किल्स टेस्ट कर रहा है। जो नहीं समझ आए उसे इग्नोर करो, आप सिर्फ एक जनरल आइडिया लेना चाहते हैं। स्किमिंग वाइज स्कैनिंग। A very common confused is between skimming and scanning. ये दोनों अलग हैं और दोनों जरूरी हैं। Skimming, जो हमने अभी सीखा, is for understanding the passage. Understanding के लिए सोचते हैं। Skimming आपको बताता है कि लाइब्रेरी में किस शेल्फ पर किस टाइप की किताबें हैं, और स्कैनिंग आपको बताता है कि उस शेल्फ पर किस स्पेसिफिक बुक में आंसर है। पहले आप स्किम करो, फिर क्वेश्चन पर जाओ, फिर वापस जाकर पैसेज को स्कैन करो और फिर स्पेसिफिक आंसर तलाश करो। माय टॉप टिप फॉर यू टुडे, प्रैक्टिस दिस स्किल ऑन न्यूज़पेपर, articles or any English blog you read. Don't read the article, just skim it for 60 seconds and then close your eyes and ask yourself, what was that about? I hope these techniques help you conquer the IELTS reading test. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it with your friends who are also preparing for IELTS. And don't forget to subscribe to English with Afshan for more tips and tricks. Comment below. What topic should we cover next? Writing, listening, and speaking. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.